Alright, so for tool report 3, I decided to do Adobe Comp. And so this website right here, the website right here kind of goes through exactly what you can do on here. And basically, it's kind of an application for you to design and create a layout. It's not really creating an application. So you can still do things like draw, add text to your project, change the font size, change text styles, and also you can import pictures so you can put them on your layout or your design. And yeah, honestly, I decided to do this because I thought it would be pretty cool because it's Adobe and there are some benefits to it. However, I will probably still stick to Marvel app, and I'm going to get into some reasons why. So I guess I'll pull up what I have so far on my phone. So right here, it's hard to see, create a really basic design. So what the benefits are that I would say are that kind of hard to see, but you have all these features. You can send it to Photoshop, you can send it to Illustrator, you can do InDesign, you can do a lot of extra things that you can do in Marvel app. So as a design application, I think this is better since you can edit your photos, you can obviously have a lot more features and functionality. However, the weakness that I found was that I couldn't link my projects. So I have these two pictures kind of separate from each other. And with Marvel app, what I really liked about it was that you can include transitions. It looks smooth. It looks like a real application. So definitely, I would say that Marvel app is better for creating an application, but Adobe Comp, I would say, is better for adding more functionality to your designs. And for, I guess, the round tripping, you have to have access to all these other features. You have to also download those apps. And there's also this one feature in here called Auto Mockup. I'll try to click on it. But basically, you have to go premium and pay for it. So for an aspect of round tripping, you do have to pay for some aspects of the app. So once again, I do like how great it is with the design. I do like how different it is and how many different features it has. I don't like how it's not really kind of useful for an app. So yeah, I looked into this tool. It was pretty interesting, but I'll probably stick to Marvel app. And yeah, I guess that concludes tool report 3.